Be careful, it's a trap!
So everyone is trying a little bit of my Redweisers here.
I don't.
And tell me, what do you guys think?
Your brother-in-law, Frank?
Smells like a Bloody Mary.
Yes, it does.
They knew him at Oasis.
Tastes like Bloody
We
Mary.
dropped a,
Yep.
we dropped a couple
Yep.
of
Actually kinda
cans
like
of some of the
Yeah.
before and they
Bloody Mary.
exploded.
It's not bad.
I actually kind of like it.
Right.
It's not bad. It's really not that bad.
They knew him.
You know what I think it is? The fact that you mentioned there's clam juice in it.
Yeah.
If it was just tomato juice and beer,
Uh-huh.
but it's not bad.
Right, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
You know,
That's
actually...
because you. How many have you drank?
It's not because I
Right.
had 4 beers before.
Right, actually... Actually,
Nothing to do with that.
here's a little funny story for y'all. I've actually made these homemade with V8.
I can see that.
Yeah. And if I make it with V8 and like a little bit of hot sauce and whatever, it works. So there you go.
Yeah, there's spice in it. It's like,
All right.
who wants
So what do you think? Would you hit it or quit it?
I'm having more.
You're having more. Good job for you, sir. How about you, my dear?
Quitting it.
Quitting it? You don't want to know. Okay. And you?
I have a little more. I gotta say, it wouldn't be a regular imbibe,
Right.
but it's okay. It's not bad.
Like a special occasion type
Special
deal.
occasion.
Okay,
It's
cool.
not that bad.
Awesome. Okay. Well, listen, thanks all for your feedback.
thank you.
And you're very welcome. And have yourselves a great rest of the party.
Have yourselves a merry little.
Ready?
Thank you very much, Frank.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Beautiful.